2.
Alright, class, we're doing 1.4, solving for radicals. It's a little fast, so please try to catch on, alright? You see, radicals have a variable inside the equation. You use throwing numbers in the variable to make your own creation. You know the goal of the radical is to solve for x. Now be patient and take a closer look at this text. Next, we're going to square both sides of this mathematical equation. Subtract x squared from that side of the equation. Let's try to put that special occasion. And when you got it done, I think we'll have a celebration. Transform a project to standard form. Now that is it because it is a mathematical norm. Use the zero product property x equals 4 and 2. The example was okay, but let us give you a better view. Alright, class. We're going to solve two radicals. Subtract that from this in the positive 6, alright? Now this equation really needs to be fixed. Subtract that from this and from the positive 6. So that both sides get rid of the square root. And when you simplify, don't expect the equation to be fixed. I think I got it. The computation is the file method is confused, but there is still a radical left to this easy to use. I select the radical then fine. All the like terms on the right hand side. I hope you remember this because we're almost through. So divide the 6 and square both sides of it too. Simplify the equation in order to transform. Change the quadratic equation to the standard form. Factor again is what you need to do. X minus 14, x minus 2. Then we solve for the x, alright? X equals 14x.
I know y'all like that, but guess what? I have a little help for you too, in case you need a little extra help on radical equations. Now listen up, section 1 for information. Transform radicals to linear quadratic equations. Don't be afraid, and if you're confused, there's a couple simple tricks that I know will help you. Let's try this for you guys. Now see, you're looking at the problem and you're thinking what's next? Well, the answer is simple, so you have to solve for x. The first step that you're going to want to make is that realize that this and this equals the same. And now you're doing math. Don't you know it? Just push the radicals in terms of fractional exponents. After you're done with this, action simplify. Now remember you gotta cube both sides. Now we're solving for x, the isolation next step, add 12 to both sides to get x by itself. Now you have your solution, x equals 20, and remember this time it'll help you win. But if you still don't think that what I said applies, let's test and be sure with another one of these guys. Alright, okay you guys, now we're getting into the mood. I know you're understanding it a little bit, but I'm going to make sure that you understand it a lot.
Alright. I think I'm getting a little bit, Mika.
Listen up. Section 1 for information. To transform radicals to linear quadratic equations. Don't be afraid. Now if you're confused, there's a couple simple tricks that I know will help you. Let's try this one, you guys. Now you're looking at the problem. You're thinking, what's next? The answer is simple. It's to solve for x. Now the first step that you're going to want to make is to realize that this and this equals the same. And now you're doing math. Don't you know it? With the fraction to turn the fractional exponent. To the radical to turn the fractional exponent. Next step is to cube both sides, but after you've done, remember, simplify.
Alright. I think I got it though.
We're solving for x, isolated about to get X by Yo. And now you got your bullshit, X equals 72. And if you remember this, it'll help you. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You think you got it?
I think I do.
I think we got it.
I think